Greetings, welcome back to CS133 Practical Programming with Python. We're on week 4. This is a practice for imports. Again, remember, don't watch this video until you've already tried the practice, because I'm going right into this. And let's start, right? So import time and sleep for 5 seconds. So I'm going to do the from time, and I'll do the other one right below it. From time, import, sleep, right? This allows me just to type sleep. And then parentheses, because that's how you write this command, and that would be 5 seconds. Now, I can also do import time, and then I have to do time.sleep. And I still do it the same way. So, and how do we know this works? Because if I print test, I run this, I have to wait for 5 seconds before it actually prints test. Look at that. Alright, so now we're going to import time and random and then sleep for a random amount of time. Alright, so from time, import sleep, from random, import randint, and then basically we're going to go sleep time equals randint. Let's do, set 5 to 10. And then we're going to go ahead and sleep for sleep time, right? Because sleep time is a random number between 5 and 10, which it says. And then we can print test again. And when we run it, comma, run it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that was a long 10 seconds, but I probably counted too fast. If we run it again, it might go a little faster, because again, that was 10 seconds last time. Now, yeah, so that went quicker. You should have other things to do. So with that, we have our rest of the work to work on. Get more practice to get used to this. Next lesson, as I promised, we're going to get to the sense hat, and we'll talk about what that is, how it's getting used, and then again, its own imports that it needs. So with that, we'll see you next lesson.